Hiya.
Hiya, how you doing?
I'm alright, what are you cooking for me?
I was cooking chili.
Just for me?
Well, I'm having some too.
Alright.
It is chili-less chili because
Okay.
I can't find the chili powder.
Alright, okay then.
So I have done it before, chili-less, and it seemed to get a mark of approval by everybody that ate it. So I'll just do the same thing again. I'll just put some paprika and cumin and garlic and onions in instead. Okay. So we're weird. We don't like kidney beans or any other beans. So we go for good old Heinz baked beans. So chopped tomatoes, beans. We'll chop a pepper up in there and all the spices there. Vegan bouillon cube there. And we're going for naked mince. Look.
Naked. Cheeky.
This stuff is brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, love it.
It's I mean, look, that's meat-free mince, and it keeps the texture. It's dead juicy and it doesn't go greasy, so you don't get that greasy layer on top of your food. So
that's why I like it.
Yeah, it's good for that. So
and this is going to be instant pot meal.
Instant pot meal. Whoop whoop whoop.
So we are currently providing our power via the sun. Thank you.
Instant pot power. So the good thing with the instant pot stuff is it normally is just stick it all in and see how it goes and mix it all up. However, you do need to have a certain amount of water to create steam, and when all of this is mixed there really isn't that much water in. So what we do is mix everything together apart from the water, and then you make a little well in the middle, pour the water in, stick it on. So that's what we do.
So we're just giving it a bit of a mince and stir, are we now?
Yep, mince and stir.
What we add in now?
Onion granules. Again, with the reflux thing, I have to put them in. Normally I'd...
what you add in now?
Oh, sorry, this is paprika. This is cumin.
I can see there's a precise amount of
Absolutely.
each going in.
Just shake it.
Shake it.
Shake it. And I'll normally do what I normally stir it all in, and then after I've stirred it all in, if it doesn't smell like cumin enough, then I put more in.
Okay.
Because that essentially for me is what chili tastes like.
Right. Well, right now the instant pot isn't even plugged in, it's totally off. You're just using it as a pan to mix everything up.
Yep. So, a bit more cumin. There we go. We need to put that on the list.
Smell your food, ladies and gentlemen.
You see, it's better than tasting raw food, isn't it? You get all the stuff in there. Right, so I'll make a little well in the middle.
I'm just using a cup of water.
Then half a cup. Start off with. It should do nicely. Sprinkle the bouillon cube around the outside.
Around the outside, around the outside.
And that's it. So make sure that's set to sealing. Then pressure cook 20 minutes. Job's good.
That's it.
Yep.
See you in 20 minutes, folks.
So it's done. It finished. It needed 5-minute natural pressure release, which basically gives it a chance to decrease the pressure a little bit, but it stops the any moisture in it getting right up to the top. So when you do this, it spits out a bit anyway, but it stops it from actually spitting out the top.
Okay, and burning you.
And burning, yeah. So also to help against that, we have tea towel, because you can't take the lid off while that little pin's still up. You see that there? So that pin means it's at pressure.
Okay.
And it'll go down when it's the pressure's been released.
Okay.
So I could probably do with opening the window, but I won't. I know how much you love moisture in a van.
Yeah.
Smells nice.
Smells like chili and peppers.
That's what it should smell like. Yeah. So this will do us for like 3 meals, because it's a lot of food in there. So it's just doing for now. We're not going to eat it straight away, but we'll probably have it with potato wedges or gnocchi. You know how much I love my gnocchi, or jackets, something like that.
Nom nom.
Or even pasta. I've had pasta before, haven't we?
Very true, yeah.
Yeah. Or cornbread.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I've not done cornbread for ages.
Cornbread's good.
Cornbread's good. Not heard the click yet. Okay. Come on.
Are you sure it's going to click?
There you go.
There we go.
And now that will be, ta-da! No metal thing at the top. And there we go. It's like chilli soup at the minute.
So my question would be, how do you get rid of all the moisture from it?
Well, what I would do is, well, because we're not eating it straight away, I just leave it, let it cool down, because it really does thicken up.
Right. Okay.
And then by the time we do eat it, it will, it will be nice. It'll be a nicer thing. I'll just do it. Otherwise, with the Instant Pot, I'd plug it back in, and I'd hit this saute button. And the saute button basically puts the element on underneath. So you just reduce it down like you would do with a normal pan, but you're obviously using your electricity instead.
Smart.
So yeah, it's good stuff. It smells good.
What we need to do now is make some potato products.
Yes.
Get some cheese products. Get some nacho products.
Yes.
And make ourselves some tea products.
Yes. Our favourite thing is potato wedges, loads of chilli, cheese sauce, and crumbled up nachos on the top. You get all the crunchiness with it, then it's wonderful.
Lovely.
Wedges, chilli, cheese sauce, nachos.
Come on,